If you've clicked this video, that means you probably use Islam 360 app. But what if I tell you guys you shouldn't? That might surprise you, but the thing is, forget it, watch the whole video and find by yourself. One of the primary concerns with the Islam 360 app is the accuracy of its content. The app includes translations and interpretations of the Quran, Hadith, and other Islamic texts. However, there have been instances where the translations are not entirely accurate or reliable. Misinterpretations can lead to misunderstandings about Islamic teachings and can potentially misguide users. Not all content on the Islam 360 app is approved by recognized Islamic scholars. Islamic knowledge should ideally come from verified and trustworthy sources. Without proper scholarly review and endorsement, the risk of spreading incorrect or incomplete information increases. It's essential to learn from sources that have been vetted by knowledgeable scholars to ensure the authenticity of the teachings. The Islam 360 app, like many other apps, operates with commercial interest in mind. This includes advertisements and potential data collection. Using an app that may prioritize profit over genuine Islamic teaching can be problematic. It's important to ensure that our tools for learning Islam are free from commercial exploitation and focus solely on the dissemination of authentic knowledge. Another significant issue is the privacy and data security of users. Apps often collect personal data, and Islam 360 is no exception. There have been concerns about how this data is used, stored, and potentially shared with third parties. As Muslims, we must be cautious about our privacy and ensure that our personal information is protected. Relying heavily on a single app for Islamic knowledge can create a dependency on technology. While technology can be a useful tool, it should not replace traditional methods of learning, such as studying under knowledgeable scholars, attending lectures, and reading verified books. Diversifying our sources of knowledge ensures a more comprehensive and nuanced understanding of Islam. The ease of access to vast amounts of information through the app can lead to its misuse. Users may interpret complex religious text without proper context or guidance, leading to misunderstandings and misapplications of Islamic teachings. It's crucial to approach Islamic knowledge with the guidance of qualified teachers to avoid such pitfalls. Using the Islam 360 app can also reduce our engagement with the Muslim community. Learning and practicing Islam is not just an individual endeavor. It involves community participation, discussion, and support. By relying solely on an app, we may miss out on the benefits of learning in a communal environment and the valuable interactions with fellow Muslims. Apps require regular updates and maintenance to function correctly and securely. There have been instances where updates to the Islam 360 app have caused issues, such as crashing or losing data. This can be frustrating and disrupt our learning process. Relying on physical books and attending classes does not come with such technical problems. There are numerous alternative resources available for learning about Islam, from traditional books to online courses offered by reputable Islamic institutions. These alternatives often provide a more reliable and comprehensive understanding of Islamic teachings. Exploring these resources can enhance our knowledge and ensure that we are learning from verified and trusted sources. In conclusion, while the Islam 360 app offers convenience, it comes with significant concerns that cannot be overlooked. From content accuracy and scholarly approval to privacy issues and the potential for misuse, these factors highlight the importance of being cautious about where we seek our Islamic knowledge. Instead, let's turn to traditional methods and verified sources to ensure that our understanding of Islam is authentic and reliable. Jazakallah khair for watching. Assalamu alaikum.